estimate versus proposal or final contract. What's the difference? So I'm gonna break it down to you and I'm gonna share with you. This right here is an estimate, or we can be other estimate, just a ballpark pricing over the phone. Something like this can be between here and there. A little more in-depth estimate is something like this: what the job may look like to build it. High level, no selections, just ideas from what we hear and what the homeowner has shared to the contractor. Final document is like this, with all the selections, detailed options, knowing exactly what we put in the house, knowing with the vision, knowing exactly what the bathroom is going to look like, what the color is going to be, what type of vanity is going to be, faucets, lighting. This is the final proposal or the final agreement with all the selections. That's different. One is way in advance, is just to understand where we can land according to the numbers. There's two ways. If you have a quick phone chat and you tell me exactly what you dream, I could probably ballpark pricing for your price and give an idea of where you can land. Depends from what I hear. Now remember, from what I hear, until you go select every unit that you like, that fits more your need and your vision. With that, then we can build the final budget or the final agreement. That's the difference. One is we don't really know what you like. The other one is exactly we know what you like, what's gonna look like, and this is what's gonna look like, the final numbers to get to your dream. And to do that, obviously we gotta pass through the render process, to the budgeting process, to really get to the final document or the final proposal or the final agreement, however you like to call it. All right, I hope I was able to answer that question. Take it.